Yeah.
Oh, he said what? That's oh, now I know why. I know why. You look, you see that black string right there? It's headed from out right that hole, and it went all the way. Sitting there, that's why. Honey, look how big. You see that black thing? That's why that one connected to that. Yeah, it turned it off. I think you look ugly as God. Ah! You gonna know. I know you gonna make a bad job. Is that one? Yeah.